Okay, our next move includes a judo throw, a actual blocking technique of a punch, a Muay Thai elbow, and then we're going to go into the ground and end up in an arm bar. Okay, it's a lot to this move, so let's please pay attention. He's going to swing a punch on me, I'm going to block it, stepping in. I'm going to come in with my elbow to the face right away. Okay, from here I am going to go into a judo move. Around the neck, throw him, control the arm. And now I'm going to step over into an arm bar. So we got a little bit of everything. We have a judo throw, we have the karate block, we have the Muay Thai elbow, and then we have the arm bar, which is a judo or a jiu-jitsu technique, either one. Again, controlling the arm, step over, arm bar,